Look at this, guys. Yeah, definitely gonna be pre-soaking this vehicle, and then we'll get rid of all this like salt and all that stuff out of the paint first before we do a contact wash, because this thing is just covered in this film here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my pre-soak ready. Now what I'm going to be doing is adding green star and a foam cannon, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-treat the vehicle first. Since this vehicle is covered in traffic film, we'll go ahead and take care of it first. Now, out of all the things, I forgot gloves. Ugh. All right. We have CarPro Reset in here ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and foam it up, do the contact wash, and get this car to its pristine condition, guys. We're almost there, guys. So let's go ahead and touch this up. So now what I'm doing is the contact wash. This is to just remove any little traffic film that's left on the vehicle. Now, since we did a pre-treatment, this makes it a lot more safer to do the contact wash as I'm doing right now, because majority of all the buildup of potential damaging elements have been removed. And then now we just pretty much touching it up, guys. That's all we're doing when we're washing it. I'm not putting any pressure on the microfiber, on the mitt. I'm just letting it glide. And as I'm going from panel to panel, I get my wash bucket, then I dunk in my mitt, clean it out, and do another panel. Right, and now we rinse. Like we only got like about less than 5 gallons. Oh my goodness, we got 5 gallons and we still need to do this. All right. So we only need to do one more side. I think we're good. I think we're good. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, guys. Oh god. Oh man, hopefully I could do this in with less than 5 gallons. I think it's possible. All right, guys. So only got 5 more gallons of water, and we need to do this side only. Let's see if we can do it. that is it, guys. We made it. Now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use this as a drying aid. It's a rinse this because we used a heavy chemical today, and I want to add a little bit of extra protection. This rinses has some protection in it. It's gonna give you some SiO2 properties, which is a hydrophobic properties that beads up your vehicle. When it rains or when you put water, it beads it up. This vehicle is coated, but since we used a heavy hitter, the Green Star, I'm gonna add a little bit of protection to it as I dry it. Here are the results. Good outcome, customer is happy, and we are done for today. So thanks guys for joining me today, and I will join you on the next video.